on the right side of our boat, Marriage Island, a very popular wedding spot under the cypress tree. Marriage Island is considered to bring good luck when you get married here at down here. Limestone rock along the river bottom. It made this the ideal spot to cross. Bird Life Building, opened 1929.
Wow.
Smith Young Insurance. 404 feet tall, 31 stories. Neo-Gothic style architecture. 20 gargoyles high on our head to guard and protect the building. Our first Sears department store was here. H.B. Zachary Company sold the building to the Rhett McCombs Group just last year. They are now about to renovate that tower.